the best medicine against cholesterol and high blood pressure. If you're suffering from elevated cholesterol levels and high blood pressure, we recommend you try this Amish recipe, which has been used for centuries in the treatment of a long list of diseases. This powerful mixture will boost your immunity and lower your cholesterol and high blood pressure better than any prescription drug. The best part about it is that everyone can make it at home. The preparation couldn't be simpler. Check out natural and pure pomegranate supplement for women and men to get rid of high blood pressure. Amazon link in the description box. Ingredients: 1 garlic clove grated, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon organic honey. Just mix all the above mentioned ingredients well and store the mixture in the fridge for 5 days. Afterwards, you can start the treatment. Take the mixture 2 times a day, before breakfast and dinner, and just after a week, you'll see significant improvement. A simple blood test will show that your cholesterol levels have been reduced. The remedy will also normalize your blood pressure. Check out natural and pure pomegranate supplement for women and men to get rid of high blood pressure. Amazon link in the description box. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.